Hello children, today we are doing the exercises of lesson 3, algorithm and flowchart. First, exercises 1. Tick the correct answer. A. The step-by-step procedure to solve any particular task is called flowchart, algorithm, instructions. Which is the correct answer? It is flowchart. Tick here. B. The diagrammatical representation of a algorithm is called program, algorithm, flowchart. It is called flowchart. Tick here. C. The direction of flow in any flowchart should be from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left. Which is the correct answer? Top to bottom. Tick here. D. The symbol used to indicate input and output of a program, parallelogram, rectangle, circle. Which is the symbol? It is parallelogram. Tick here. And E. The symbol used to connect the different steps in a flowchart is, which is the symbol? Yes, this symbol used to connect the different shapes in a flowchart is this. Tick here. Now see the answers. To fill in the blanks. A dash understands the instructions given to it in its language. A computer understands the instructions given to it in its language. B. A flowchart is a dash representation of the steps involved in problem solving. Which is the correct answer? The flowchart is a diagrammatic representation. Diagrammatic representation of the steps. Now see, the rhombus shaped symbol is known as dash. The rhombus shaped symbol is known as dash. What is it known? Decision box. What is it called? Decision box. Decision box. D. The dash shape is used to mark the beginning and the end of the flowchart. Which shape? The oval shape is used to mark the beginning and the end of the flowchart. Oval shape. Now E. Rectangle is used to show the dash. Rectangle is used to show the processing. Rectangle is used to show the processing. F. Dash is used to represent the input-output box. Dash. Which is that? Parallelogram is used to represent the input-output box. Now 3. Write T for true and F for false statements. A. An algorithm is graphical. An algorithm is a graphical representation of a flowchart. Is it true or false? That is false. An algorithm is a graphical representation of a flowchart. That is false. B. process is a rectangular shaped symbol used for doing calculations. True. C. The flowchart helps in finding out errors. Yes, that's true. T. Now D. Flowchart is written in simple English language. Yes, that is true. T. Now E. A flowchart helps in the development of a program. Yes, that is true. Now see the answers. Four. Name the following flowchart symbols and write the use of each symbol. Here the symbols are given, name and use. First, oval, and the name is start stop box. Use, it is used at the beginning and the end of the flowchart. Beginning and end of the flowchart. Next, input output box, it is parallelogram. What is the use? It is used to indicate the input and output of a program. Next is rectangle processing box. Name is processing box. It is used to show the processing part of the flowchart. And decision box, it is used to check the conditions, display comparisons and take the decisions of the problem. Now flow lines, these are used to connect the different shapes and show the flow of logic in a flowchart. Now circle connectors, it is used to join the parts of a flowchart. 5. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What is a program? Answer. Step-by-step instructions given to the computer is called a program. Step-by-step instructions. Next, question 2. What is an algorithm? Answer. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve any particular task. And question 3. What is a flowchart? Answer. A flowchart is a diagrammatical representation of a problem-solving process. And question 4. Draw a flowchart to calculate the area of a rectangle. See the answer. Flowchart. First oval, start, the beginning of the flowchart, and then parallelogram, input A, B, and rectangular processing. Area is A multiplied by B, A into B, and then parallelogram, print area, and last oval, stop, the end of the flowchart. Next, 6. Redraw the following flowchart after correcting the symbols. Answer is given here. And if you like my videos, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.